Hey friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I make weekly videos on motherhood and lifestyle content. This is my 18-month-old daughter, Luna. Today's video is going to be a bunch of toddler crafts. They're going to be fall crafts. They're super simple things to make. I'm going to show you guys how I set them all up. I'm doing everything during one nap time so that they're all prepped, and then I will show you, if we make them all throughout this week, I will show you each one that we make throughout the week. If not, I will still show you guys how I put all of them together, how I prepped everything, how I'm going to store them. So if you guys are into these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new around here, and let's get started. As you can see, I pinned a ton of toddler crafts on Pinterest. You guys can follow me on Pinterest, and it's Mrs. Shelly Shoosh, just like my YouTube name. So I pinned a bunch of these, and I've just started doing a few of them. She really loves doing these crafts, especially just like gluing things down and painting. So these are like the perfect age group for her, and they're all fall.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
She's clearly not interested in the sticking part, only in the gluing part, and she wants no help from me when it comes to the glue. Toddlers.
Yeah.
Well, I had me a good baby.
So this is how these turned out. I think they're super cute. However, as you can see, she was more interested in playing with the glue than actually gluing anything on. If anything, it's still a good learning activity because I got to teach her the colors, the yellow and orange and white, and it's good for hand-eye coordination to be learning how to put glue on little pieces of paper and then having to stick them onto something else. Did you like that activity?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did? Good girl. So I've had these fake leaves for some time now. I always use them at Thanksgiving on like my tablescapes. They're just like cheap fabric from the dollar store, but they've lasted me for a really long time now, and I'll be able to use them with this craft. And then over here, I just have a paper plate, and as you saw, I cut out the center of it. So we're just gonna take the fake leaves and glue them all around. She's gonna make a fall wreath.
Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
This craft, we're just gonna take a paper dinner plate, and as you guys saw, I shredded up all the red construction paper already. So we're just gonna glue it everywhere, literally everywhere on here. And then I cut this little brown piece to use as a stem for the apple. And this one, we're gonna paint the green paint on her hand, and then she's just gonna do a handprint on here as the little leaf that's gonna stick off of the apple. And that's it for our apple craft. I'm just storing these in 3 Ziploc freezer bags. I think that'll just be easy to grab and go. We usually do a craft after she eats lunch, which is after her nap time. This one, I actually made 4 of them, and I think 2 would be enough for one craft session. So I shredded up enough of the paper, so that'll be for 2 separate activities. I left my husband to do the last craft with Luna. And it came out to this. Oh my gosh. What did you guys do?
It was Luna's fault.
Luna, what did you do?
Mom,
Oh yeah?
I'm not wrong.
I don't think that's how the craft was supposed to go.
Yeah.
You got the handprint.
Oh, at least you got the handprint. Okay. So as you can see, they didn't get around to finishing, but in all fairness, this is how it would come out. So that gets stuck there. And then this is going to be the little leaf that hangs off of it. That's what it would look like all finished. They had to go get into the bath before they touched anything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope I gave you some inspiration of things to do with your little ones during this fall season. I know it's tough being stuck inside. We just got to make the best of it with all the things that we have and all the things we have lying around built to entertain our little ones. So like I said before, subscribe to my channel if you're new around here. You can follow me over on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shoosh, and I will catch up with you guys next week in a new video. Bye!